Welcome! If you're tired of seeing those Instagram accepted follow requests notifications pop up on your phone's lock screen, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide to turning off those notifications, so you can keep your lock screen clean and distraction-free. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control all your phone's apps and notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on the option labeled Apps. This will show you a list of all the applications installed on your device. Find and select Instagram from the list. You might need to scroll a bit if you have a lot of apps, but once you spot that familiar Instagram icon, tap on it. Now look for the Notifications section and tap on it. Here you'll see all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you. Scroll until you find the Accepted Follow Requests option under the Instagram section. This is the specific notification we want to manage. Tap on Accepted Follow Requests, and you'll see several settings for how these notifications appear. Look for the lock screen option and tap on it. You'll be given a few choices for how notifications show up on your lock screen. Select Don't Show Notification. This will stop Instagram from displaying accepted follow request alerts on your lock screen, so you can enjoy a little more privacy and a lot less clutter. And that's it. You've just taken control over your Instagram notifications and made your lock screen a little more peaceful. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.